Everyone, welcome to the crypto trade of the week, and that is this week Solve.Care, and Solve.Care has a ticker symbol Solve, S-O-L-V-E, and it has market cap of roughly $39 million. It's not too big, also not too small, but it's ranked number 386, so within the top 500. And Solve.Care has a little bit disappointing price development. It is range bounding around $10 and it's not moving much. And Solve.Care actually is a kind of healthcare on the blockchain. Actually, they are on the website they are propagating that. They're saying that they want to revolutionize the healthcare on the blockchain, and they say that a global platform for healthcare benefiting administration and payments. And the clients, which is Solve.Care serving, that are insurance companies and clinical organizations, employers, government agencies, accountable care organizations. If you would like to take a look for more information, go to Solve.Care. Actually, I've been participating in ICO back in 2017, 18, if I'm right, and I earned a little bit, but not too much. Anyway, I sold my holdings a couple of years ago, but now I'm buying it back, and also I bought some back, and I will buy some more. Solve.Care actually has a nice tweet that is Solve.Care, that is the handle, the Twitter handle, and they came with news that they will come with a progress update part 2 within a couple of days, and the CEOs, I think CEO Pradeep will be presenting. So if you would like to take a look for more information, go to Solve.Care. And if I take a look at the chart, there you see that's a huge drop in the beginning. That was in 2019, and yeah, it slashed all the way down to 3 or 4 cents, and since then it's not moving too much. Anyway, in the Netherlands, I think Lightbit is the exchange where you can buy these coins. And if you would like to take a look where you can buy some coins, you can go to the coin market cap. Here you see the Upbit, Bittrex, and Qcoin, albeit in BTC, Korean won, and also USDT on Bittrex. Anyway, for a longer term perspective, I think this is very nice buying opportunity, and so I'm accumulating this coin. And actually, and back in November, I also put this coin as a crypto trade of the week. That was in actually in Dutch. But anyway, I think keep an eye on Solve.Care. Full disclosure, I have already positioned. It's not a buying recommendation, and it's for purpose of education only. If you want to have a free trial for 4 weeks, go to our cryptoacademy.nl website, to our subscription list, and you can click there for a 4 weeks trial for free. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye. Yes, of course. What is the target? Well, the target would be, in my case, 20 cents. So I think 100% must be on the table, could be on the table. Albeit you have to put a stop loss, for instance, 30% lower than this level. So below 7 cents, you could take a stop loss over there. Wish you a pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye.